Hey guys, welcome to this video again. From our previous video, we just created a web application. So as you can see in the screen, it's up and running. However, we haven't really added any form of authentication for this application. In order for us to do that, we need to enable the authentication in the web application inside the settings section. So here's the settings section, then authentication. Then we need to enable it by adding an identity provider. In our case, I'll just choose Microsoft. I'll just uh, take the defaults and Asian one name not available. How about that? Not available too. Yeah, available. I'll do the 180 days there. Then everything seems okay except for this one. So I'll choose multi-tenant, and then everything looks okay. I'll click add. So while it's being added, I can go to home and yeah, let's just wait. I can go to the Microsoft Entra ID in that section. And then from there, we're going to add a new user. So looking at this, since everything has been enabled, let's go back to the users. I'll just create a new one. I'll say Jim Grant and then display name Jim Grant. I'll copy the password so I won't, I won't forget it. I'll just copy it here. I'll review and create and then create. While waiting, I'll open up the application here. I'm expecting when I refresh this, it will ask me to authenticate. There you go. So I need to copy Grant. So where's Grant? Yeah, so Grant, I need to copy his email. Next, and then I need to copy again his password. Sorry about that. So paste, then sign in. Once I successfully sign in, I can now open the application. So I'll just update the password. Current password. Here's now the updated password. So sign in. Now, once everything is okay, I can now use the application. So let's keep your account secure, then click next. I'll open up my Microsoft Authenticator. Since I don't have it here, so if you want to use, click next, click next. Let me open up. So give me a moment, guys. So Authenticator, I'll just scan. Okay, activating on my end. So I'll click next. Then it's asking for the number 46. So click yes. My machine. So approve, click next, then done. So that's it for the authentication of a web application. So as you can see here, permission requested, web application Windows Web 1.2. This application was not published by Microsoft. This app would like to view your basic permission, maintain access. So click accept. Then it will now show the default web page that we have published. Yeah, thank you guys and bye-bye.